Hello you guys, so for today's video I thought to do a relaxing luxury pedicure at home. I don't even remember the last time I got pedicure, so I thought of treating myself. I have a complexion with my feet, so they are not that prettier, and I also avoid using front open footwear. But anyway, I really wanted to show this pedicure to you. So starting off, I have taken a half filled tub of lukewarm water and adding a Body Shop British shower gel to it. We are all going extra over here, so you can use shampoo of course, but here I'm using the rose shower gel. So I'm also adding few drops of rose water, just a little bit for the refreshment and the aroma, and adding a little bit of shampoo to get the foam. Mix it well.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can.
And now going extra, I'm using sun-dried organic rose petals. I had it, so I used it. If you do not have these, you can plug in your fresh rose petals and use them. These organic petals, they smell amazing, and it's very relaxing, and it is very luxury and bougie to soak in your feet, right? No other salon is gonna treat you this right, girl. So after soaking it for 10 to 15 minutes, I'm scrubbing my feet gently to get rid of all the dead skin. So this is the only scrubber I had. I know this is very old. There are different other scrubbers in market. You can really get them. So I'm gently scrubbing it all over my feet. I do not have feet cracks. So yeah, I'm just working very lightly. So next step, I'm using a scrub. So I am using a body scrub. You can use any scrub you have. Face scrub or body scrub doesn't really matters. Taking a pea-sized amount and massaging it in all the area in a circular motion. Do not forget to cover the area around your nails. Right after scrubbing, put your feet back in the tub and get rid of all the scrub.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it.
So we will be washing it all off in the same tub. Pat dry your feet with a towel. I know it all gets messy with pedicures at home. That's why I have a huge cloth placed under the tub. So now to get rid of the tan, I'm using a face mask. Yes, you can use any face mask you have, DIY it, or just use the one you have in your vanity. So I'm using one from the Plum. It is white tea and chamomile. So I'm using this. Apply it all over your feet and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dry. By that time, just scroll through your Insta feed. I do not really remember when was the last time I got my pedicure. I guess it was back in 2017. It's been 4 freaking years. I really wanted to do this. So I really treated myself right. So go ahead, use any of the products you have. No need to buy any other stuff. No need to buy these organic petals I had lying around my house and they were near to expiry. So I thought of utilizing it and making a very bushy pedicure out of it. So right after 15 minutes, I'm putting my feet back into the tub and getting rid of the mask.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that
Again, patting dry. Do not forget to pat dry your feet, okay?
take me in your arms and hold
And I'm getting rid of the old polish. So here I'm using acetone. By the way, this is the dip and twist one.
me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat.
So I'm filing my nails a little bit. I don't know what is wrong with my toenails. They just never grow. But yet to make it all very look seamless, I'm filing it down.
You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like.
And I love this pink shade. It is from Nykaa. By the way, all the products I've used would be linked in the description box below. So do not forget to check that out. So you can also moisturize your feet after applying nail paint. By the way, some people prefer to moisturize it before, but I always moisturize at the end after my nail paint is dried. So that footage got deleted. I'm so sorry. Do not forget to moisturize, and I hope you really love this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. And before I say goodbye, I want to show you all the products in details. This is the Sun-Dried Organic Rose Petals from Amazon, and here is the Body Shop British Rose Shower Gel which I used, and here is the Nykaa Wanderlust Lavender Scrub, and the rose water I use is from Iba Halal, and the scrub I used is from Plum, is the green tea, and here is the Nykaa nail paint. All would be linked in the description box below. Bye.